planning, right? And that's pretty much the idea. You get the number? So after each phase, the things that I do, what I do design, right? I design review. After each phase, the PQA value is getting fit into me. So when I finish design, I might see a PQ value of less than 0.4 and worry about it, right? Okay, well, should I do more design before I start design review? Or the other thing, should I make a better design review? Because if ceteris paribus, as you say in economic terms, right? Latin economics. If things are going in the same direction, I'm going to have this performance. I know in the very beginning that I may be in trouble, right? Now what you're going to see is a little demonstration of the numbers in action. I think the best part of the presentation, so please stay up. I worry a lot. Okay, good. Just to answer this question, is the number here, right? Could you see it? Over there, represents each of the phases. The first one is design again. The second, design review, code review, right? That will be so. The first thing we're gonna play the simulation, right? Just to understand a little bit the colors. The colors represent the number of production defects of those components. The sizes of the bubbles are the actual size of the components. So just to make an example, right? This big one here represents this number of lines of code, right? And it is probably the biggest component we have there. And you see the color is actually blue, right? That means it doesn't have any defects in production. This red one here gives us a lot of trouble because most of the production defects come from here, about 3, right? From that single component. It's a big one, but single component. Okay, let's see what it looks like if we animated things in time. Design review. Looks cool, right? See, what we are seeing here, right, is a zoom in of the actual results, right? We could change the scale here to be linear instead of logarithmic. And we're going to see, could you play against this? With a try on this? We're going to see something interesting. This is a threshold line, right? The predicted PQI from those non-green, non-blue ones never goes up from 0.4. What that means is in the whole development cycle, right? We have been told that